So, let's say you're pulling in your X5 into your garage, and you gotta do some work on it. Maybe you wanna install the MMI Prime interface so you can have things like wireless Apple CarPlay or replace your head unit. Well, stick around because you're gonna learn how to remove the trim panels from the dash. Let's go ahead and start removing some trim. Around this cluster, you can see there's a plastic black trim that you need to remove. Just use your pry tool. Next, we'll remove the air vent trim that houses the temperature control, caution lights, door locks, and also the start switch. Just above and behind the start switch is where you can start prying. You can use your hand to give it some more space and pry away. Then slowly work your way over towards the passenger side. With the panel removed, let's go ahead and unplug the climate control. Simply squeeze and pull. With the caution lights and door lock buttons, there's a cable that is kind of weaved inside. I recommend with this chassis that you actually push the button towards you so you can get better access to the wires. It's as simple as turning a sandwich bag inside out. Just pull it towards you, then squeeze the connector and pull. Moving right along, let's go ahead and disconnect the start switch. Squeeze and pull the connector. Now we're going to remove these two T20 torque screws so we can remove this control panel and unplug the cables from behind it. And just below the control panel, there is a small piece of trim that needs to be removed. With that set aside for later, now to remove the control panel, simply pry it towards you, releasing the clips on the back. With the top portion freed, I recommend using two hands to remove the bottom. Let's go ahead and remove these connectors. Flip it around, and you'll notice there is a slide lock on each. There's a lock pin that you have to press down to release the slider. Just do the same for both. And when you're done with that, you're ready to go. And by the way, let us know in the comments section or give us a call and let us know what other tutorials you guys would like us to make.